Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake. And today, we're taking a look at something seriously powerful for your home theater or large venue setup, the BenQ LK936ST 4K Ultra HD Short-Throw Laser DLP Projector. Alright, so first things first. When you hear short throw, think big screen in small spaces. This projector can produce a massive image, up to 200 inches, from just a few feet away from the screen. That's a game changer if you're working with limited space but still want that cinematic experience. Now let's talk about the real standout, 4K Ultra HD resolution. We're looking at 3840 by 2160 pixels, powered by DLP tech and backed by a laser light source. That means razor-sharp detail, insane color accuracy, and the kind of clarity that makes even text look printed on the wall. Whether you're projecting movies, presentations, or gaming visuals, this thing delivers. Brightness? Yeah, it's got that covered too. We're talking 5,100 ANSI lumens, which is more than enough to punch through ambient light. So if you're setting up in a conference room, classroom, or even a well-lit living room, no problem. It holds up and stays vibrant. And the color performance is just stunning. BenQ's cinematic color technology really kicks in here. It covers a wide color gamut, up to 92% Rec. 709, so colors feel lifelike, not oversaturated or washed out. Combine that with HDR10 and HLG support, and you're getting rich blacks, bright whites, and everything in between with tons of contrast. Now let's get into the design and flexibility. The LK936ST has a clean, professional look, matte white finish, solid build, and practical layout. It's ceiling mountable or can be placed on a table, but most impressively, it includes 360 degrees installation and portrait projection capabilities. So you're not locked into one type of setup. Want to project vertically? Rotate it. Want to tilt for mapping onto 3D surfaces? Go for it. For you gamers and fast-paced content lovers, input lag is minimal. It's not marketed as a gaming projector per se, but it definitely holds up for casual and even some competitive gameplay. Frame interpolation helps keep motion smooth too, so sports and action movies look crisp without motion blur. Another strong point, lens shift, 1.1x zoom, and keystone correction. It's flexible. You don't need to position it dead center in your room to get a perfect image. And for those advanced users out there, there's even HD-based connectivity, which lets you run uncompressed video and audio over long distances using a single LAN cable. That's awesome for clean installations. And because it's laser-based, it's built to last. We're talking up to 20,000 hours of life without changing the light source. No lamps to replace. Just quiet, consistent, high-quality performance. You're also getting multiple inputs: HDMI, LAN, USB, RS-232, audio out, and more. It integrates easily into any AV system, and the menu interface is straightforward and responsive. Even better, it supports Crestron, PJ-Link, AMX, and other control systems, so it fits right into professional AV environments too. Whether you're a business owner setting up a showroom, an educator needing crystal-clear visuals for lectures, or a home theater enthusiast wanting next-level projection, the BenQ LK936ST hits that premium sweet spot. Short throw, true 4K, laser-powered, bright, and color-accurate. It's definitely built for serious performance. And one more thing, fan noise is impressively low. Like, you'll barely notice it once you're into your content. That's a subtle detail, but it makes a huge difference in immersive viewing. So yeah, if you're in the market for a future-proof, versatile 4K laser projector that doesn't compromise on brightness or image quality, the BenQ LK936ST is definitely worth checking out. If you want to buy this projector, just hit the link in the description below. This is Tech Jake, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.